This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Harne. This beautiful turnkey furnished pool home, barely lived in with lake and fountain views, invites comfort and exudes a Florida lifestyle. The 3+den and 2-bath floor plan offers plentiful living space to enjoy a perfect setting for relaxing and entertaining. Custom lighting and crown molding throughout. Beautiful kitchen features 42 whitewood cabinets, beverage bar area with refrigerator, granite counters, West stone tile backsplash, large center island and upgraded stainless steel appliances. Generous master suite. Master bath has dual sinks, walk-in shower and walk-in closet. Upgraded 20-tile floors and plenty of natural light flow throughout the home's area layout. Enjoy gatherings in the generously sized great room that flows outside to a spacious extended lanai with outdoor kitchen, large pool and spa. Come and enjoy the wonderful neighborhood amenities including private membership golf, pool, exercise room, restaurants, tennis, pickleball and more. Minutes from Southwest Florida International Airport, quick access to I-75, wonderful restaurants, shopping and a short drive to the beautiful Florida beaches. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephanie Harne at 239-482-5700.